Imagine walking into a hospital where your doctor spends more time looking at you than looking at a computer screen. Imagine an MRI that produces clear images in less time. Imagine an emergency room where the most critical patients are identified faster because AI helps prioritize care. Imagine researchers discovering promising new medicines in months instead of years. Imagine hospitals operating more efficiently, reducing waste, improving patient experiences, and giving healthcare professionals back the one thing they can never create: time. Ladies and gentlemen, this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is quietly transforming one of the largest industries in the world, not by replacing doctors, nurses, or researchers, but by helping them make faster decisions, reduce repetitive work, and unlock insights hidden within mountains of medical data. The question is no longer whether AI will influence healthcare. The question is, how will it change the way we live, work, and receive care over the next decade? Welcome to Future Forward Friday, where we explore the innovation shaping tomorrow so you can prepare today. I'm your host, Donald Johns. This is the Unbearably Bullish Podcast, the official podcast of the Bull You Can't Bear, where we focus on strong markets, stronger mindset, and unlimited opportunity. So let's look into the future. Healthcare, it represents one of the largest sectors of the global economy. Yet despite incredible medical advances, much of the system, it still struggles with familiar problems. Doctors are spending significant portions of their day documenting care, nurses balancing patient needs with administrative responsibilities, hospitals managing scheduling, staffing, billing, compliance, and mountains of data. Researchers are sorting through millions of scientific publications and clinical records. Healthcare isn't suffering from a lack of information. It's suffering from an inability to process information efficiently. This is exactly the kind of challenge artificial intelligence is designed to address. AI, it doesn't become tired. It can rapidly identify patients across vast data sets and patterns. It can summarize information, highlight anomalies, assist with repetitive workflows, and help professionals focus their attention where it matters the most. Notice the distinction. The objective isn't to replace expertise, it's to reduce friction. One of the most practical applications of AI is helping clinicians with documentation. Many healthcare professionals spend hours each day completing notes, updating records, and preparing documentation after seeing patients. Microsoft's Dragon Copilot is an example of technology designed to reduce that administrative burden. Instead of requiring clinicians to type extensive notes after every appointment, AI can help generate draft documentation from clinical conversation, organize relevant information, and streamline portions of the workflow. That doesn't eliminate the physician's responsibility to review and approve the medical record. It simply reduces repetitive work. Imagine the broader economic effect. If clinicians spend less time documenting and more time caring for the patients, healthcare systems may improve their capacity, reduce burnout, shorter wait times, and make better use of existing resources. Sometimes innovation, it isn't about replacing people. Sometimes it's about giving them their time back. Now, expand that idea beyond a single physician. Imagine the entire hospital. Companies such as GE Healthcare and Siemens Healthineers are integrating AI into imaging systems, diagnostic workflows, and operational processes. Artificial intelligence can assist in prioritizing urgent scans, improving image quality, reducing repeat imaging, and helping radiologists focus first on studies that may require immediate attention. Hospitals are also using predictive analytics to better manage equipment maintenance, patient flow, staffing needs, and operating room scheduling. The result isn't simply faster computers. It's potentially better utilization of expensive equipment, fewer operational bottlenecks, and improved productivity across the entire organization. For decades, medicine has often relied on standardized treatment approaches. Artificial intelligence is helping move healthcare toward more personalized care. Companies such as Tempus AI combine clinical information, molecular testing, and data analytics to support precision medicine, particularly in these areas like oncology. Every single patient is unique. Genetics, lifestyle, medical history, response to treatment. Artificial intelligence can help organize enormous amounts of information so clinicians have additional insights available when evaluating treatment options. The goal isn't to allow algorithms to practice medicine. The goal is to help clinicians make more informed decisions. Developing new medicines has traditionally required years of research, extensive laboratory work, and significant financial investment. Artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful research tool. Companies including NVIDIA, Alphabet's Google DeepMind, and major pharmaceutical organizations are using AI to accelerate protein research, identify potential drug targets, evaluate candidate molecules, and improve clinical trial design. AI cannot eliminate the need for rigorous clinical testing. Scientific validation still remains essential. However, AI may help researchers ask better questions sooner, reduce repetitive analysis, and improve research efficiency. That could reshape the economics of pharmaceutical innovation over time. Healthcare AI isn't a single product, it's an ecosystem. At the foundation are computing companies providing advanced processing power. Cloud providers deliver the infrastructure to securely store and analyze enormous volumes of healthcare data. Medical technology companies integrate AI into imaging systems and diagnostic platforms. Software companies build clinical workflow tools. Healthcare organizations implement these technologies into patient care. Biotechnology companies apply AI to scientific discovery. The result is an entirely new value chain developing across one of the world's most important industries. Every technological revolution, it creates opportunities. It also creates responsibility. Healthcare data is among the most sensitive information people possess. Organizations must protect patient privacy, strengthen cybersecurity, and ensure compliance with evolving regulations. Artificial intelligence can also make mistakes. Models require continuous validation. Healthcare professionals must remain accountable for clinical decisions. Bias within training data must be monitored carefully. Innovation should never come at the expense of patient safety. The future of AI in healthcare will depend not only on the technological advancement, but on trust. Picture the healthcare experience 5 years from today. Your physician may spend less time typing and more time listening. Medical records may be summarized automatically. Imaging systems may identify urgent findings more efficiently. Researchers may evaluate potential treatments faster than ever before. Hospitals may operate with greater efficiency while maintaining human oversight. Healthcare professionals who understand AI will likely become increasingly valuable because they know how to combine technology with experience, empathy, and judgment. Let's move on to this week's Bull Challenge. Instead of asking, will AI replace healthcare workers? Ask a better question. Which repetitive tasks are preventing healthcare professionals from doing what only humans can do? Innovation often begins by removing friction. Think about your own profession. Where is time being lost? What repetitive process could be improved? How could technology help you focus on higher value work? That's the opportunity. Artificial intelligence is not replacing the human heart of healthcare. It's helping reduce the administrative weight surrounding it. The greatest impact may not be faster computers. It may be giving doctors, nurses, researchers, and healthcare teams more time to do what they entered the profession to do in the first place: care for people. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Future Forward Friday. If you found today's discussion valuable, please share it with somebody who's curious about the future of technology, business, healthcare, and innovation. You can visit us at thebullyoucan'tbear.com for more episodes, research, and updates. I'm Donald Johns. And again, I want to thank you very much for joining us. We love all of you. This is the Unbearably Bullish Podcast, the official podcast of the Bull You Can't Bear. Strong markets, stronger mindset, and unlimited opportunity. Follow the herd. And until next time, please always remember to stay unbearably bullish. We love all of you and have a wonderful weekend.